children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on the concept geometry. For this you can refer our textbook page number 109 and 110. Okay, let's start our today's session. Fill in the blanks. A dashed triangle has one of its angle equal to 90 degrees. Which triangle has one of its angle equal to 90 degrees, children? A right angled triangle. Which triangle? Right triangle. Right angled triangle. Has one of its right angled triangle has one of its angle equal to 90 degrees. The sum of the measures of three interior angles of a triangle is equal to. Children, the sum of all the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. How many degrees? 180 degrees. Okay, right. Classify the following triangles based on their sides. If you clearly observe the figure here, children, here equal to symbols are there, which represents these two sides are of equal length. If two sides are having the equal length, that means two sides are equal length means same measurement is there for these two sides. Then the type of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. What is that, children? Isosceles triangle. Let's move to the next question. Classify the following triangles on the basis of the angle formed. See here, what is the angle? 110 degrees. Okay, based on this, you can say that this triangle is obtuse angled triangle. Why it is obtuse angled triangle? If one angle is 110 degrees, that means it lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Okay, though the remaining angles are equal, you can say this triangle as obtuse angled triangle. Next one. Find the unknown angle of each of the following triangles. What is the unknown angle here? How will you find out the unknown angle? What do you know about the properties of a triangle? You have already learned that the sum of any three angles in a triangle, all the sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So, you have to subtract 180 degrees minus the given sum of the given two angles 26 degrees plus 84 degrees. Then you will get the unknown angle, that is the required angle at K. Okay, 180 degrees minus 26 plus 84, 6 plus 4 it is 10 and 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 1 11. So, 110 degrees. Okay. What is 180 minus 110, children? 8 minus 1 it is 7. So, this is 70 degrees. So, what is the unknown angle here? It is 70 degrees. Okay. Right. Let's move to the next question. Which set of line segments will form a triangle? Explain. See, the following line segments, there are a set of line segments. Whether these line segments, any given line segments are forming a triangle or not, you need to identify. Okay, right. How will you identify? 7 centimeters, 16 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Based on which property you will do this problem? Based on the property that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. It should not be less than. Okay, right. If you observe 7 plus 16, two sides I have considered. It is 7 plus 16, 23, which is greater than the third side, 8. So in this case, okay. But in the next case, 16 plus 8 I have considered, I will get 24, which is greater than 7. So this is also fine. But if you observe these two, 7 plus 8, which is 15. Okay. And it is less than the third side, that is 16. So in one case, a triangle cannot be formed. That means you cannot form a triangle. This is true, you cannot form a triangle based on this. A triangle cannot be formed. Why? Since cannot be formed because, you can write, because the sum of two sides length is less than the third side. Okay, a triangle cannot be formed. Like this you can conclude the problem. Okay children, hope you understood the session. Thank you.